I'm Jess from Mineralism. We're down at the MBS Festival, which is open from Thursday to Sunday with free entry. Come on down to Darling Harbour and check it out. And you can find us at booth F12. We're down here with so many crystals, it is crazy. We've got peacock ore, we have amazonite, we have a beautiful range of titanium quartz, but we also have a beautiful range of amethyst ore crystals. So I talked about titanium quartz and how that's treated with titanium in a gas chamber. So the amethyst aura is treated in a similar way with platinum, silver and gold, which leaves a beautiful rainbow aura over the top of it. We have some beautiful fluorite on display, as well as some smaller pieces of pyrite in their beautiful natural cubic formation. We have a huge range of tumble stones available. You can come and pick up pretty much anything, and if we don't have it here at the festival, you'll be able to find it at our store. We're at 31 Glebe Point Road in Sydney. And then if we come around to the other side of the booth, we have some amazing large points of rose quartz on display, some beautiful, really beautiful deep colored purple amethyst coming out of Brazil. We have some citrine and some amazing celestite pieces on display, as well as this heart, which is just gorgeous. We have some beautiful jewellery on display, some rare pieces in our cabinets, including sugilite, rhodochrosite, kunzite, green amber, which is just stunning, larimar bracelets, Super 7 rings, pendants, bracelets, some natural Australian opal. And actually our family is in opal mining, which is fun. So we've always got a beautiful collection of Australian opals on display. We have some amazing skulls as well. The skulls are just stunning. We have a large selection of skulls in the shop as well. And it's hard to come by really well-carved skulls, and we really pride ourselves in having a huge range of skulls from all over the world. We have pieces from all over. We've got amethyst, fluorite, labradorite, rose quartz, aventurine, jade, bloodstone. If you want skulls, we've got them. Come and check us out.